Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this cute elastic waistband on your pants, shorts or skirts or whatsoever you want to attach it to. This is what I used. I used my 2 inches elastic band. This is the rubber, not the slimmer one. It's 2 inches. And then I also cut out a straight 3 inches fabric that I'll be using for the band. I need 2, but I cut 3 because I would need seam allowance. The short has already been made. If you want me to, I'll post another video on how to make this shorts with elastic waistband, but this video is mainly for the band itself. Please note that this waist is 20, as you can see. My waist is 30 inches, but I used 40 here. 20 plus 20 is 40. I used 40 because you're supposed to cut excess, not your exact waist, and this band I cut is way longer than my waist. So but the elastic itself you'll be using, you will cut exactly your exact waist measurement. As you can see, I used 15, so we'll cut it off 15 and then we'll head to the sewing machine and sew. The first thing we do now is to place the elastic inside your fabric. The good side of the fabric will be outside, as you see me doing. So we'll make a straight stitch down on that place, the edge. We are making this stitch so that we'll be able to drag the elastic inside by the time we're sewing. The stitch here will hold it firm for us to be able to drag. So now we'll go ahead and make 3 straight stitches on this band. While making this stitch, the secret is, as you're stitching it down, drag the elastic inside and also arrange the fabric underneath, that you know, on the one under you can see it, you have to arrange it. So this is me dragging the elastic inside before I stitch. I had to bring it closer for you to see. So after making the straight stitch, the first one, this is what we have. I'll go ahead and add a second stitch. So guys, while making this second stitch, you no longer have to just drag the band inside. You just take your hand to the front of the fabric, drag it at the front and at the back, making the fabric on the machine straight while stitching. I had to bring it close for you to understand. So arrange the fabric up and down and drag the down parts under the elastic, and the upper parts drag it up in front and the back, like your both hands drag it straight and stitch. In that way you will have a neat stitch on this second and third. You can actually stop on this second one if you just want to have 2 lines, but I went ahead and did 3 lines because that was what I wanted. If you're making a joggers and you want an elastic waistband, you can also do 3 lines, your choice though. So guys, I went ahead and I did the 3rd line, and guys, we're done. This is what we have. Sorry, this fabric is so busy. I'm supposed to use a plain fabric, but I didn't have any plain fabric at the moment, so we just go ahead to the table and measure. As you can see, I have 15 on the dot, which is my waist measurement. Now what I'm doing now is cutting out the excess under. I told you earlier I just need 2 inches and not 3. I just needed that for the same allowance. So guys, we introduced the shorts. This is the front part. I had to put my hand in the pocket for you to see. So I'll loosen this front part, the joining at the front part, I'll loosen it a bit so that we can start adding the band from there. And guys, thank you so much for watching. We're done. This is the results. This is what you will get. It is very busy because of the kind of fabric I use, but if you follow my methods, this is what you would get. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys. Bye.